From the bustling neon-drenched streets of Seoul to the serene temples dotting its mountainsides, South Korea offers a captivating blend of tradition and modernity. But beneath its vibrant culture lies a powerhouse of innovation and talent, driving the nation's remarkable economic growth. Join us as we journey across the land of morning calm, exploring the 5 key cities pulsating with opportunity and creativity. We'll uncover the unique strengths of each hub, revealing why South Korea has become a global force in technology, entertainment, and beyond. Our first stop takes us to Seoul, the beating heart of South Korea, a city that never ceases to amaze. This sprawling metropolis of over 10 million people is a whirlwind of activity, a 24/7 hive of energy where ancient palaces stand in the shadows of towering skyscrapers, creating a unique blend of the old and the new. Seoul is a city of contrasts, where tradition and technology intertwine seamlessly, offering a glimpse into both the past and the future. But beyond its captivating charm, Seoul is a global leader in technology and entertainment, setting trends that the rest of the world eagerly follows. This is the birthplace of K-pop, the infectious music genre that has taken the world by storm, captivating audiences with its catchy tunes, synchronized dance moves, and high-production value music videos that are nothing short of spectacular. Walk down the streets of Gangnam, and you'll likely stumble upon a K-pop agency, hoping to discover the next global superstar, adding to the city's vibrant cultural tapestry. But Seoul's influence extends far beyond the stage, reaching into the realms of technology and innovation. This city is home to tech giants like Samsung and LG, companies that are pushing the boundaries of innovation in smartphones, televisions, and home appliances, making everyday life smarter and more connected. Their cutting-edge research and development centers attract some of the brightest minds in the world, drawn to Seoul's collaborative spirit and entrepreneurial energy, fostering an environment where groundbreaking ideas come to life. The streets of Seoul are alive with a palpable energy, a sense of ambition and drive that is contagious, inspiring everyone who visits. It's a city that never sleeps, where coffee shops are filled with young entrepreneurs pitching ideas, and co-working spaces buzz with the sound of creativity, innovation, and collaboration. Seoul is a city that embraces the future, a place where anything feels possible, and where dreams are turned into reality every single day. Our journey takes us south, along the coast to Busan, South Korea's second-largest city. Here the air is thick with the scent of salt and sea, a testament to Busan's vital role as a major port city. The harbor is a mesmerizing ballet of colossal container ships, fishing boats and ferries, all navigating the bustling waterways. Busan is a city built on trade, a gateway to the world, connecting South Korea to global markets. But Busan's importance extends beyond its logistical prowess. This city is also a rising star in the film industry, known for its stunning coastal scenery and world-class production facilities. The Busan International Film Festival, held annually, has become a major event on the global film calendar, attracting renowned directors, actors, and film enthusiasts from around the world. Walking through the streets of Busan, you can feel the city's cinematic energy. Cafes are filled with aspiring screenwriters, their laptops open, crafting the next big blockbuster. Film sets pop up in unexpected places, transforming ordinary streets into scenes of drama and intrigue. Busan is a city of contrasts, where the gritty realism of a working port city collides with the glamour and allure of the silver screen. It's a city that embraces its heritage while looking towards the future, a place where creativity and commerce thrive side by side. Our exploration of South Korea's talent hotspots takes us to Incheon, a city defined by its strategic location and rapid industrial growth. This city is a beacon of progress and innovation, drawing people from all corners of the globe. Situated on the coast of the Yellow Sea, Incheon is home to one of the world's busiest airports, a global hub connecting South Korea to over 180 destinations worldwide. This airport is not just a transit point but a symbol of Incheon's international significance. The constant hum of airplanes taking off and landing is a testament to Incheon's role as a gateway to the world, a place where cultures converge and business thrives. Here you can witness a melting pot of cultures, languages, and ideas. But Incheon is more than just a transportation hub. It is a vibrant city with a rich cultural tapestry and a dynamic urban life. This city has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent decades, evolving from a sleepy fishing village into a thriving center for industry and international trade. The rapid development is a testament to the resilience and ambition of its people. Massive cargo ships dock at Incheon's sprawling port, delivering raw materials and finished goods to fuel South Korea's economic engine. The port is a bustling hub of activity, crucial to the nation's trade and commerce. Incheon is a city on the move, a place where construction cranes dot the skyline, and new factories rise from the ground at an astonishing pace. The skyline is constantly evolving, reflecting the city's growth and modernization. This is a city that embraces innovation, attracting businesses at the forefront of technology and manufacturing. Incheon is a magnet for cutting-edge industries and forward-thinking entrepreneurs. From automobiles to electronics, Incheon is a hub for high-tech production, a testament to South Korea's prowess in these fields. The city's factories are equipped with the latest technology, ensuring high-quality output. The streets of Incheon are a fascinating blend of old and new, where traditional markets coexist with modern shopping malls. This juxtaposition creates a unique urban landscape that is both charming and exciting. This is a city where you can find anything you could ever want, from the latest gadgets to handcrafted souvenirs. The shopping experience in Incheon is diverse and caters to all tastes and preferences. Incheon is a city of opportunity, a place where people come to build a better future for themselves and their families. It is a community that welcomes newcomers and offers a supportive environment for growth and success. Our journey now takes us inland to Daegu, a city renowned for its rich history and its contributions to South Korea's textile industry. For centuries, Daegu has been a center for silk production, its skilled artisans creating exquisite fabrics that were prized throughout the region. Today, while still honoring its heritage, Daegu has embraced modern technology, transforming itself into a hub for textile innovation. Daegu's textile factories are a marvel of modern engineering, where automated looms hum with precision, weaving intricate patterns with lightning speed. This city is at the forefront of textile research and development, creating new fabrics that are lighter, stronger, and more sustainable than ever before. But Daegu's creative energy extends beyond textiles. This city is also a rising star in the world of fashion. Daegu's fashion designers are making waves on the global stage, their bold designs and innovative use of materials challenging traditional notions of style. The city hosts Daegu Fashion Week, a vibrant showcase of the latest trends and a platform for emerging designers to make their mark. Walking through the streets of Daegu, you can feel the city's creative pulse. Small boutiques showcase the work of local designers, while bustling markets offer a dizzying array of fabrics and textiles. Daegu is a city where tradition and modernity are woven together, creating a tapestry of innovation that is both inspiring and beautiful. Our final destination takes us to Daejeon, a city often referred to as the Silicon Valley of South Korea, a place where innovation and tradition coexist harmoniously. While perhaps less known than its bustling counterparts like Seoul and Busan, Daejeon is a powerhouse of research and development, home to some of the nation's most prestigious universities and research institutions, including the renowned PICH. Here, in state-of-the-art laboratories and research facilities, the future is being written, one groundbreaking discovery at a time. Daejeon is a magnet for brilliant minds, attracting scientists, engineers, and researchers from across South Korea and around the world, all eager to contribute to the city's vibrant intellectual community. They come to Daejeon to collaborate, to push the boundaries of knowledge, and to develop groundbreaking technologies that will shape the world of tomorrow, from advanced robotics to cutting-edge medical treatments. The city is a hotbed of innovation, with a particular focus on fields such as biotechnology, nanotechnology, and information technology, areas that promise to revolutionize our lives in the coming decades. One of Daejeon's crown jewels is the Daejeon, a sprawling research park that is home to over 1,000 companies and research institutions, each contributing to the city's dynamic ecosystem. Walking through the park's meticulously landscaped grounds, you can feel the hum of intellectual energy, a sense of purpose and dedication that is truly inspiring, as researchers and innovators move between buildings, deep in thought. This is a place where ideas are born, where breakthroughs are made, and where the future is being imagined, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. But Daejeon is not all work and no play. The city offers a balanced lifestyle, blending rigorous intellectual pursuits with ample opportunities for relaxation and recreation. The city is also home to numerous parks, museums, and cultural attractions, making it a pleasant and stimulating place to live and work, where one can find inspiration both inside and outside the lab. Daejeon is a city that values both intellectual curiosity and quality of life, a place where innovation and inspiration go hand in hand, creating a unique environment that nurtures both the mind and the soul. Our journey through South Korea's talent hotspots has revealed a nation brimming with creativity, drive, and an unwavering commitment to progress. From the dazzling lights of Seoul to the research labs of Daejeon, South Korea is a nation that embraces the future, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The cities we've explored are more than just geographical locations, they are vibrant ecosystems of talent where innovation is nurtured and dreams are given the space to flourish. South Korea's success story is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, a reminder that with hard work, determination, and a willingness to embrace new ideas, anything is possible. As we conclude our journey, one thing is certain. South Korea's star will continue to rise, illuminating the path towards a brighter, more innovative future for us all.